I was scared to dance alone. I was scared to sing a song. So you always sang along, and I danced like I belong. When I called you for advice, and I know you meant it nice, but you told me I can't write, and now I believe you're right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So I packed up all my things, put away my diamond ring, 'cause I thought I needed you, and now I think you need me too. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Now I'm on a flight to Spain. Got my suitcase, got my name, and the sun and the moon are still in tune, 'cause I have not changed, and I'm the same. It's not the cowboys that I'm missing anymore. That problem was already old in '94. Don't be offended if I see